Hello guys, today I'm planning to do beef smoke grill. So we're in the winter right now, it's a bit cool and chill. So I'm just here to cut one or two bamboos to make a griller actually, where we can put beef and just smoke for whole day. And we try to make a salad for dinner. So as for now, this is going to be very seasonal. This is eaten during winter usually. So we try to have different kind of leaves, different kind of herbal leaf we try to find in the forest, and we try to make for dinner. Let's see. So let's see what we can get. A kilo of beef, which we're going to smoke. Over there, we already have some pork there. Show you, come. So we already have a smoke of 2 kilo beef. So not beef, actually this is pork. So yeah, it has been smoked for 2 days already. Slow cook. How beautiful it is. Ooh. Isn't it nice? So this is like 1 kilo beef. We are going to make smoke dry. We are going to make a salad. So I use ginger and garlic already pound, and black pepper, salt. I will use fish sauce because I'm not measuring with a spoon because I know how much it will be. So I'm adding as it is because I want to smoke it as spicy version. So I'm adding a little bit of oyster sauce, soy sauce. So I'll be using special for marination. This is sticky rice herbal version is from this brand. So they usually preserve for about 2 years. Then they make bottle. It's customized, localized. It's not big production. It's very nice to drink. So it will make a beef a lot of tender. Wow, the aroma is so nice. Alcohol, smoky flavor now. So I think we're going to keep about 4 to 5 hours, and This will be well marinated after a couple of hours, and after 2 hours marination, this is what they look. So yeah, so we already have pork up here. It's almost done. So let's see what will we get after 2 hours marination. Look, it's yummy. Wow, nice. It's nicely done. So yeah, I'm going to put it here. Take big pieces first. Big pieces. Uh-oh, don't fall down. So like the aroma is so nice because we have been marinating for long, and special alcohol. So we're trying to keep a little bit closer so that you know it gets smoked quickly. Oh, it's looking gorgeous now. Nice. Oh, looking so nice. Look here, so juicy and dry, tender. Maybe another 1 hour it will be done nicely. Nice. Okay, we have tomato here, which we'll be making salad also. Please don't think it's not hot, it's super hot, but I'm used to, so it's fine. This is not ready, but this is just like, it's like this is mean almost ready. Having ashes is extra flavor. Oh, it's hot. It's ready. I can try a bit. So nice. Look at the color. See? Very nice. This was something we haven't wanting. Juicy, hot and spicy, well seasoned. So nice, so nice. So if you see here, this has been 48 hours pork. This is just, I think we have been smoking about 5 hours. Yeah, because it's a bit closer, so that it get cooked faster. And this is bit this one will be higher, so we have been smoking for 2 days. So yeah, so it's getting almost sunset over there. You see, look at the view, sunset. So we're going to have the salad for dinner. Okay. Nice smoke. Okay, finally it is ready. Oh, wow, so gorgeous. Have a look. So nice, but it's hot. So nice. Okay, we're going to make salad now. So guys, hold on tight. So this is already pound. We pound chili, garlic and ginger and bit of salt. So this is we already smashed tomato, garlic, ginger and chili and coriander. So some salt needed. Salt and the beef. You see, it's so nice and tender. We will not pound. We just mix with our hand. Everything is mixed with the hand. For a style cooking is something like this. Okay, now we try to put in dressing. You see, all these raw leaves, seasonal food, and this is a snack we're going to have for dinner. So I will be using hand. That's become easier. Sunset and the dinner. I'm going to use ham to eat. Mmm. So nice. This is banana flour. So tender. Mmm. Nice cucumber. I think if you know seasonal fruits and veggies, it's this type. This is very rare. Only seasonal. Call it Mloa Point. Mmm. Yeah. Cucumber. Some beef salad. Look at the view. And mm, mm, let's do a combination. Cucumber and snake. And this one. Oh, don't fall. So nice. Thank you guys. It was very nice that we had to grill for whole day. The result is awesome. So tasty. I think you can make at home, but only thing is you need outdoor fire, outdoor wood fire in order to smoke it. Then the flavor is awesome. So like I'm in the forest, so I'm doing it. And look at the sunset. What could be more than this? Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Please share if you like it so that we can do more. Enjoy.